Moving on to the next topic, integration by partial fractions. This is my most favorite method. ஏன்னா இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாகவும் இருக்கும், ஃபன்னாகவும் இருக்கும், and it's very useful for solving any kind of integral. நான் வந்து இன்ஜினியரிங் படிக்கும் போதுமே இந்த partial fractions தான் நிறைய இந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் போட்டேன். அவங்க யூஸ் partial fraction and solve the integralனு கொடுக்கல. But I used partial fractions to solve the integral. It was very very easy. இன்னமும் I still use. Okay? அதனால இதை வந்து ரொம்ப pay attention. You only have a few formulas in this. இது தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா you'll be able to solve a lot of questions. Okay? ரொம்ப easy. So first என்னலாம் இருக்கு? So you have px plus q in the numerator divided by x minus a times x minus b இருக்கு. So இந்த இடத்துல denominatorல you have x minus a. The power of x is 1. So you have a divided by x minus a. இந்த இடத்துல x minus b, power of x is going to be 1. So plus b. அவ்வளவுதான். Denominatorல என்னென்ன இருக்கோ, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல x minus c இருந்ததுன்னா you can add c divided by x minus c. இவ்வளவுதான். ரொம்ப simple. Okay, so that is what you have here also. So இந்த இடத்துல numeratorல power is px square. It's a quadratic. Always remember one thing. So in the denominator, you have, when you multiply this x minus a into x minus b, you get a quadratic equation, which means you get something to the power of x square. இப்போ numeratorல என்ன இருக்கு? To the power x power 1 ன்னு இருக்கு. So you have x power 1 in the numerator and denominatorல you have x square. Always remember this has to be the case. Denominatorல power ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கணும். இப்போ x cube by x square ன்னு இருக்குன்னா you have to simplify this and get it in terms of x. Okay, denominatorல எப்பவுமே power ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கணும். You have to simplify in such a way that you're going to get denominator ஓட power, x ஓட power is greater than the power of x in the numerator. Okay, always remember. இப்போ ரெண்டாவது ஃபார்முலா, I have x minus a the whole square. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல x minus a மட்டும் இல்ல, x minus a the whole square இருக்கு. ஸோ இங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் x minus a க்கு எடுத்துட்டு then x minus a the whole square. Okay, you should not write, இப்போ x minus a the whole square இருக்குல்ல, so x minus a into x minus a, so a divided by x minus a, b divided by x minus a எழுதக்கூடாது. You have to keep increasing the power. So x minus a times x minus a square ன்னு தான் எழுதணும். இப்போ சப்போஸ் இந்த இடத்துல cube term இருந்ததுன்னா I'll write times c divided by x minus a the whole cube. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி add பண்ணிட்டே போணும், பவர் add பண்ணிட்டே போணும், but you have to write a divided by x minus a, b divided by x minus a the whole square. Okay, இப்போ next இருக்கிறது என்ன? I have x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. இங்கே you notice that you have denominatorல x into x into x, you will have x cube. Numeratorல power, highest power of x என்ன? x square. So this satisfies. Denominatorல x ஓட power is greater than the power of x in the numerator. Okay, so இங்கே I again have x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Now here I have x minus a the whole square. So அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? x minus a first எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் x minus a the whole square. x minus b க்கு usual. Okay, it's going to be the usual. Now here I have x minus a. So அதுக்கு usual x minus a. I have a quadratic which cannot be further written in the form of x minus b times x minus c ன்னு எழுத முடியாத ஒரு ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு. If this is the case, you have to write it as it is. Denominatorல quadratic அப்படியே எழுதணும். But in the numerator, you have to have bx plus c. So in the இடத்துல you only had x to the power 1. But here you have x to the power 2. So you have to have x to the power 1 in the numerator. Okay. So these are the 5 formulas that you need to remember. Sums நிறைய போட you will understand. Okay. So let us solve the first example. So first of all, I have what is inside the integral? X plus 1. X plus 2. So இது எந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு? First form where my numerator is simply 1. Okay, numeratorல linear இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. 1 ஆவும் இருக்கலாம், constant ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். So this I'm going to split it as what are all my denominators? A divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. So இதுதான் first step. Denominatorல first இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு a ன்னு எழுதுறேன். Second இருக்கிற denominatorக்கு I'm going to write b. Okay, so this is my first step. What is my next step? In the right hand side, I am going to take LCM. What is my LCM going to be? It is going to be x plus 1 times x plus 2. இப்போ தானே நான் split பண்ணோம். Why are you again taking the LCM ன்னு நீங்க கேட்கலாம். அது எனக்கு கேக்குது. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? LCM எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா a times what is missing here? I have to multiply by x plus 2. இல்லையா? x plus 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணாதான் LCM எடுக்க முடியும். And what is missing here? I have to multiply by x plus 1 in the numerator and the denominator. Here I have to multiply by x plus 2. So this is what I am doing. Plus b times x plus 1 and the left hand side remains the same. X plus 1 times x plus 2. Now, what do I have? Since the denominators are same, I am going to equate the numerator. Since the denominators are same, I am going to equate the numerator. So, what do I have? 1 equals, I will multiply inside. So, ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. I am going to club the x terms and the constants separately. So, 1 equals x into a plus b. This is my x term. Plus constant enala irukku 2a plus b. So, now what do I see? Constant 2a plus b can be equated to 1. But I see that x oda coefficient ku eduvume illa. So, it is going to be 0. So, basically, a plus b equals 0. I do not have x here. Yeah? So, a plus b is simply 0. And 2a plus b is going to be 1. So, a equals minus b from here. So, I can do minus 2b plus b equals 1. Minus b equals 1. So, b equals minus 1. Okay. So, this I am going to substitute in our first step. So, first step நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? Basically 1 by x plus 1 integral 1 by x plus 1 times x plus 2 dx can also be written as integral of a divided by x plus 1. A என்னது? A oda, if b is minus 1, a is going to be 1. So, 1 divided by x plus 1 times dx. And what is the other term? B divided by x plus 2. So, I have b, which is going to be minus 1 divided by x plus 2 times dx. So, these are the two integrals. Okay. So, basically, in the integral, I in the mari split panni after finding the values of a and b. Okay. This is very similar to what we did in the previous exercise. Numerator la irukkiradha a times d by dx of denominator quadratic plus b nu edutanola. So, kittathata adhe method da. Okay. So, this, if I simplify, what do I have? 1 by x plus 1 is going to be log mod x plus 1 minus, inga enna irukku? Log mod x plus 2 plus c. So, this is of the form log a minus log b. So, log of a by b nu eduthalama. So, log of a divided by log of b plus c. So, this is my final answer. Okay. Romba simple. A oda value, b oda value kandupidichita, you can solve the remaining. Now, example 12. So, here what do I see? In the numerator, the highest power of x is going to be 2. In the denominator, the highest power of x is again 2. So, I need to simplify this. First of all, numerator and denominator ore power la irukakudadu. I want the power of the numerator to be simpler. So, what am I going to do? First of all, I am going to do division, long division method. So, this is my divisor and this is my dividend. Nyabam irukka? Ipo na enna panna poren? How do I find the quotient? So, basically, inge x square irukku, inge x square irukku. So, multiply by 1. So, I can multiply. It is going to be x square minus 5x plus 6. Multiply panna. Now, I am going to subtract. So, I am going to subtract. Indha edathila minus irukku. So, it becomes plus. Inge plus irukku. It becomes minus. Okay. Now, what happens when I cancel? I can cancel x square and x square. The remaining terms are going to be 1 plus 5x. And what is remaining? Minus 6. So, 1 plus 5x minus 6 is what is remaining. So, either simplify panna, I have 5x minus 5. So, this is going to be the remainder. Quotient enna irukku? 1. So, this is going to be my quotient. This is going to be my remainder. And this is my divisor. இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? இதெல்லாம் வந்து 6th standard, 7th standard maths, but still I'll revise. So, you know that dividend equals quotient into divisor plus remainder. In the form ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So, basically, what do I have here? I have the dividend x square plus 1 divided by divisor 5x plus 6. I already have dividend divided by divisor. So, I am going to divide by divisor. Ingiyum divide by divisor, ingiyum divide by divisor. So, what will I have on the right hand side is going to be quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. In the formula irukka podu. So, basically, you are going to write what you got in a clockwise direction. So, first you are going to write the quotient. So, it is going to be, this is nothing but quotient plus remainder. Remainder enna vandhudu? Abdiye clockwise la travel pannunga. Quotient la irundhu abdiye remainder varen. So, I have remainder which is 5x minus 5 divided by divisor. Again travel clockwise. So, this is going to be x square minus 5x plus 6. So, what have you done? Kuduthirukra oru quadratic, kuduthirukra oru rational function. I am going to convert it in such a form such that the power of x in the numerator is less than the power of x in the denominator. Okay, now this is what we are going to solve, the integral. So integral x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx can be rewritten as 1 dx plus integral 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 times dx. Okay, so this is simply x plus in the substitution method. Enna panna porom, x square minus 5x plus 6 is going to be t. I have 2x minus 5 equals times dx equals dt. You see that the substitution method is not possible in a numerator la 5x irukku. So inge nama enna panna porom, partial fraction. Okay, so this is going to be integral I. So when I start solving integral I have 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So first denominator la irukradha split pannanom illaya. So I'm going to split using the middle term. So x square minus 5x plus 6. I need the product to be 6 and sum to be minus 5. So I have minus 3 times minus 2. So idu eppadi split pannala, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. X common adutha, I have x minus 3. If I need x minus 3 here, I need a minus 2. So this is going to be x minus 3 times x minus 2. Splitting the middle term la nyabam iruka, enna pannuvom, the product has to be the constant and the sum has to be the coefficient of x. Okay, splitting the middle term panna inga enna vandhude, basically this is going to be 5x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 2. So this I'm going to split it as a divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 2. Now I need to take the LCM. So LCM edutha enna agum, I have a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 3 the whole divided by x minus 3 times x minus 2, which is nothing but 5x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? So this is my first step. Remember that you have x here. இதை வந்து கடைசி ஆன்சர்ல ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். x plus I தான் நம்ம final answer. So the denominators are equal. I'm going to equate the numerator. So numerator equate பண்ணா, what do I have? Equating numerator, I have 5x minus 5 equals, I'm going to multiply it inside. I have ax minus 2a, ax minus 2a plus bx minus 3b. Correct? B ulla multiply panna bx minus 3b. I'm going to club the x terms. So x times a plus b, and what is the constant? Minus 2a minus 3b. So in the pakko I have 5x minus 5. So equating the constants, minus 5 equals minus 2a minus 3b, and I have 5 equals a plus b. Okay, now equating everything, I have a plus b equals 5, equating coefficient of x, equating constant minus 2a minus 3b is going to be minus 5. Okay, don't forget the sign, minus 5 irukku. So this, when I multiply by 2, elimination method la pannalama. So I have 2a plus 2b equals 10. Here I have minus 2a minus 3b equals minus 5. So basically this gets cancelled. Here I have minus b equals 5. So b equals minus 5. So b oda value therinjiruchu. What is a? I can substitute in one of the equations. So a plus b equals 5. A minus 5 equals 5. A equals 10. So I found out the value of a and b. Now by substituting it in the equation, I have integral of 5x minus 5 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2. Eppadi eduthalam? I can write it like this. So a divided by x minus 3. So it is going to be a divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 2. So plus b na minus 5 divided by x minus 2 times dx. So when I split this, I have 10 integral 1 by x minus 3 dx minus 5 is a constant, 1 divided by x minus 2 times dx. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? So now this is going to be 10 log mod x minus 3 minus 5 log mod x minus 2 plus c. 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3 is going to be log. So I can multiply it to the power இல்லையா? இந்த 10 வந்து இங்க பவருக்கு போலாமா? 5 பவருக்கு போலாம். So I basically have log mod x minus 3 to the power 10 minus log mod x minus 2 to the power 5 plus c. So this is of the form log a minus log b. So log of a by b னு எழுதலாமா? So log of x minus 3 the whole power 10 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 5 plus c. So this is simply I. But what is my final answer? I already have an x. So final answer is going to be x plus I நமக்கு என்ன வந்தது? log mod x minus 3 to the power 10 divided by x minus 2 to the power 5 plus c. இது இப்படியும் விடலாம் or log of a by b formலயும் எழுதலாம். Okay, whichever is convenient for you. Please copy.